Once there was a spiritual and yoga conference held in a town. The guest speaker was one of the great motivator and had influenced many people's life positively. People had gathered and were waiting for Guruji to enter the hall and were waiting to listen his speech. Guruji entered the hall. Flowers were put on him while entering. All the people started clapping and greeting. He was overwhelmed, thanked all the people for their love and affection. Before Guruji wanted to start his speech, he wanted everyone present there to close their eyes and meditate for 2 to 3 minutes. People started doing meditation. After meditating for few minutes, they were shocked to see Guruji missing on the stage. But soon after that, people spotted him entering the conference hall again. They were confused. All were saying, "Where did this Guruji go? Why is he entering the hall again?" Guruji did not tell the reason for why he had gone out. Instead, he thanked everyone for meditating and started his speech immediately. He spoke about the importance of time. He spoke about the importance of life, legacy, health, and achievements. He also spoke about the ethics and moral values. His speech inspired each and everyone present there. He answered many questions calmly with patience and gave them clarity of the life and helped them to take better decisions for life. Everything was good, of course great, but people were still thinking about where Guruji had gone. Even at the last, Guruji did not tell those people about where he had gone, but he thanked everyone again and left that place quickly as he had other meeting to address. Even people slowly started moving out of the seminar hall. When they were out of the seminar hall and when they were about to leave that place, they noticed all their shuffled footwears were neatly arranged in a line. And other stunning thing was, all their slipper and shoes were arranged and aligned neatly by the great speaker Guruji who had come there as a guest. People then realized and came to know why Guruji had gone out for few minutes and got answer to their question. So the moral or takeaway from this story is, first one, it hardly takes few minutes to keep something neat and clean. 2. There is great saying called be simple and be sample. Guruji was one best example for that in this story. 3. We should never judge and comment that quickly without knowing about someone. 4. The motivator showed us taking some initiative and doing good things are better than blaming others. So hope you all enjoyed and got some message from this small story. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get similar interesting videos.